In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to label X and Y axis in Google Sheets. First, open your sheet and make sure you already have a chart on the page. Axis labels are adjusted through the chart editor, so click on your chart to select it. The quickest way to open the editor is to double-click the chart. If you prefer, you can also click the three dots in the top right corner of the chart and choose Edit Chart. Either action will open the side panel where you'll make all your changes. If you don't see the panel, double-check that the chart is selected. In the side panel, switch to the Customize tab. This is where you control the look and feel of your chart. You'll see a section called Chart and Axis Titles. Click that to expand it. This section handles both the overall chart title and the axis titles. And it gives you a live preview as you make edits. Inside Chart and Axis Titles, look for the Type drop-down. To label the X-axis, which runs horizontally from left to right, choose Horizontal Axis Title. Then, in the title text field, type the label you want. Use a short, descriptive phrase and include units if they matter, for example. Mons category. As you type, you'll see the label appear on your chart so you can confirm placement and spelling right away. Next, use the same type drop-down to select Vertical Axis Title for the Y-axis, which runs up and down. Again, type your label in the title text field. This is a great place to indicate what's being measured. Think sales or score. Keeping titles concise but specific helps viewers interpret values quickly. While you are still in this section, you can format your titles to improve readability. Adjust the font style and size to match your sheet or presentation. And use color to add contrast if your chart sits on a busy page. Bold can give emphasis to a key label, and italics can help differentiate a secondary axis title if needed. Aim for consistency across both axes, so your chart looks polished and intentional. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.